going to show you a very easy way how to make an amazing biscuit base that you can use as a crust for desserts, pies and tarts. You won't need to use flour and sugar, etc. in the whole process of baking your crust for your desserts. So let me show you a very easy method to make a delicious crust with a buttery biscuit base. All you need is some butter, about 95 to 115 grams of melted butter. Now the fun part is you can use any cookies of your choice. You can use some graham crackers. Depends on where you are in the world. You can use digestive biscuits. And of course, Oreo cookies, which make a great base for a chocolate cheesecake. You can even use shortbread cookies or any vanilla flavored based cookies that you'd like. First things first is get yourself an oven safe dish that you're going to be making your pie in, or if you want to refrigerate it, that's fine too. As I said, you can use any biscuits that you'd like for your pie crust. So today I've chosen to use digestive biscuits. All you need is about 350 grams biscuits of your choice, or 2 sleeves if you prefer. Next we're going to move on to the food processor. If you do not have a food processor, you can use a Ziploc bag and crush your biscuits with a rolling pin. We're just going to crush our cookies in the food processor. This is perfect. You just want some fine crumbs, as you see here, or as I said before, use a Ziploc bag and crush your cookies that way. I have about 100 ml of melted butter here that I'm going to pour into my cookie mixture. You can use between 95 to 100 ml of melted butter. So I'm just going to pour this in. And I'm going to give that another mix. Guys, our cookie mixture is ready. This is what you want. If you are using a Ziploc bag, don't forget to add in your butter into a bowl and mix it the same way as I used in the food processor. I'm just going to plate this into my dish. And now you can just flatten it out into your bowl. You can use your hands too, whatever you prefer, or back of a spoon. Eventually you will get in here with your hands, but I'm just evening it out at the moment. Okay, I've just flattened this out in the bowl and it is ready to go into the refrigerator for about 15 to 30 minutes and it will be all set. Saves you a ton of hassle from using traditional pastry and using flour and sugar, etc. all the ingredients that goes in it. Try this buttery biscuit base for pies and tarts and it will be amazing. And that's it, folks. All you need to do is refrigerate your pie crust for 15 to 30 minutes or whenever you need it for your recipe, and then you can make your filling and pop it into the oven or in the fridge. so much for watching this video. Please share it, smash the like button, give it a big thumbs up. Let's connect. Follow me on all social media. I would so appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you can be notified when I release a new video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, share your thoughts and any video suggestions you might have. Leave it down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Please stay connected and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.